Apparently there's some confusion about where I actually come from, and I must admit so many years have passed that even I start doubting where I came from. New Zealand was the first, and that's where I was born. Australia is the second, because that's where my father was born. Now that I've started my own business, Chef Willi Restaurant Consultancy, we happen to get together with our mate off camera here, Mr. Venki, running the Mechanics Bar. Opening very, very soon, and with my food here. My cuisine, I try very much keep your food young, keep your presentations young, but above all, go for taste. Taste is paramount in food. First senses that pick up for the appetite is with the eyes. Second one, following fast, is with your taste buds. So if it looks great and it tastes good, you should be able to have a winner. Every plate that we cook in that kitchen that you see behind us will be a picture perfect, very tasty dish that comes your way.